Hey guys, welcome back. So we are working on decluttering, and I've already decluttered some out of my small eyeshadow palettes, and next we are going to work on some bigger eyeshadow palettes. And guys, I didn't even pull these down. This is a basket that I do where I want to use up items. I didn't even go through that one. So this is my Emily Noel palette. This usually sits in my big palette pile. This is not going anywhere. This is one of my absolute favorite palettes. So I need to sit it somewhere. It's going on the bed. I have my Jaclyn Hills. I do like both of these palettes. I really do. I have Ring the Alarm and a Bling Boss. So these can go up in the small. Is my light flashing? It looks like I see something flashing. This is Color Pop Through My Eyes. This one I might actually let go. I think I will. I have so many Color Pops that are this pretty much the same color scheme, guys. It's got a new name on it, and they slap a new name and some new packaging. And my Jaclyn Hill blush and bronzer, I really do like that. Here's a Makeup Geek. There's a Tarte blush. The Crown. This is really pretty, but again, I have so many nudes. I'm going to let that one go. The Carly Bible. This is like the... I think this is the original, because I do not remember rebuying it. This is like the original. That's how old this is. And as you can see, there is still imprints in these. Some of these pans look like they've never been touched. I will keep that for right now. I'm trying to figure out how to... She fits down in here. Yes, okay. So now this basket's cleaned out and we can redo that sometime. Then what's left is my Jeffree Star palettes. And they are dusty from where I was doing my nails. I have Blood Sugar, Blue Blood, Bloodlust, and Pricked. And then I have my Game of Thrones set that was sent to me by a good friend. So I'm keeping all of those. Alright, next up. Let me move this lamp out of my way here. It's my LED light. And I have in a little baggie here some nail glitters and things that can come out. Well, I'll put it in that basket for now. This drawer is a hot mess. Hot mess. Okay, the Jaclyn Hill Divine Neutrals. I forgot I even had this. More neutrals, guys. I'm going to put this with her other little palettes that I had. Bare Sensuals. This is by, is it Bare Minerals? Yep, Bare Minerals. I love these colors. They're soft. They're muted. It goes with my shirt. I don't really use it, though. I'm going to go ahead and declutter it. My Laura Lee Los Angeles Nudie Patootie. Absolutely love this palette. I did lose one of the shadows. It cracked and fell out. It broke my heart. So I will be keeping Laura Lee. I love her singles too. I have a palette somewhere that's got a bunch of her singles in it. Where's that palette? Alright. I'm just going to pull this drawer out so you guys can kind of see what we're dealing with here. And it'll help me. Ace Beauty, Falling For You. Love this one. See, there's palettes I forget I even have. This KAB Cosmetics Day to Night. I'll keep it. It's pretty new. That's pretty new. This is a candy. This was a gift from somebody that I want candy. I've never used this. Never. I've had it over a year, I know. That my friend sent it to me over a year, and I've never pulled it out and used it. Never once. Let's talk about some I was going to sell this, and I had a friend wanting to buy it, and something happened where her money didn't get sent, and I was like, I never got, you know, something happened, so I still got it, and I think I'm going to keep it just because of all the crap and everything, and I can say I got one, so I'm going to keep it. Ace Beauty, I do love their packaging. Oh my gosh, I love their packaging. This is so vivid and pretty. I'm going to keep... I need to put all my Ace Beauties together, like you'd think. Here's my Laura Lee singles. I need a couple more to, somebody's trying to call. I am going to decline. No, I don't know you. I need like just 3 more Laura Lee to finish your palette. I need 3 more Laura Lee shadows to put in there. And these I got on a really good deal on Ulta. This is Makeup Revolution. This was the Forever Flawless palette. I give one away. It might have been a little different than this one, but it was the same, like middle tin, same layout, slightly different color scheme maybe. No, it was that one. It was that one, because here's the other 3. Or other 2, I should say. This one is chilled, and of course you can see by the cover kind of, it's green, and you know I love greens. And then the other one is fire. So it is beautiful for autumn. So I'll keep those 3. Dose of Colors. This is a really pretty palette too. And these 2 colors here are absolutely freaking amazing. You keep a palette for like 1 or 2 colors, I swear. These were Bad Habit. And Bad Habit went out, and when they did, they had a big sale, and I bought a bunch of palettes, and I give a bunch of them away in giveaways. These were dupes of what is the one that's really expensive? You know who I'm talking about. But there's that one. I may declutter this one. I've not even touched that purple. I've not touched that strike. I've not touched Havoc. I hate when I don't touch them. This one I used a lot. You can tell she's dirty and got glitter everywhere because of this mainly. And that green. You can really tell I went into that green. Oh, what is the name? Pat McGrath. Violet Voss Pro. I do like this palette. You can tell I used it quite a bit. Another Sahara. I think, no, this is not a face palette. I don't know about that one. Here is a Bad Habit Athena. This was a dupe of a Huda palette. I'll keep that one. I really like that one. I decluttered all the other ones that were like that. And here is a BH Cosmetics Glam Reflection. I've had this one in my collection a while. I think I will declutter this one because I have so many palettes. All right. This is a magnetic palette of, who's in here? Who are these? I think these are like, I don't know who these are for. But the name is Razzie. I want to say I got these maybe off ColourPop. Not ColourPop. Yeah, I think these are ColourPop shadows. Heavy Glam. Yep, ColourPop. I see it now. So these are ColourPops. Remember when they used to come in like a little four pan and you could pop the shadows out? I put them all in there and threw away all the little 4 pan things. This came in one of our boxes. And I do love all these satins and shimmers in this. Oh, so pretty. Persona, this is probably one I'll let go because neutrals. This is a Shop Missy palette that I put together. And it actually does really good. I think this whole thing turns out to be like $10. It's $4 for, or something like that. I can't remember. Or $12. I don't remember, but you pay like $1 per pan and then so much for the palette. And then I have 2 more Morphes. Oh gosh, I can't get this one open. What in the world, children? So pretty. This is Pretty in Peach. I used it like once. And this one is Vintage Rose. Both of these are really pretty. I'm not getting rid of these. That's just such a soft, pretty look. Okay, so let's put all these back in and try to keep it fairly organized. But that is that row of palettes. That was the ColourPop ones. My Laura Lees I want to leave out. I might use those. The candy. The CAB. I'll go ahead and put Laura's back in there. I'm going to put her right at the front and on top. So I got a little bit out of that one. Okay. I'm trying to get around the drawer without busting my knee on it. Put this drawer back in there. And then this bottom drawer is my other Laura Lee. This is Candy Skies. Talk about a cotton candy palette. That is so pretty. I'm going to put it up here with her sister. And then here's the other Orgy palette. And I meant to send this to somebody and forgot all about it. That's the one that got replaced. Here are my Jaclyn Hills. This is the volume 1, the original. This is the OG before it got reformulated. This is the original. And this is a volume 2. Because I know they said like some palettes started coming out. And it's like the formula is different. It's different. Nope, this is an OG. And I'm not going to get rid of it. Those are really good shadows. And I know they were saying that this palette, the formula wasn't quite the same. I didn't have any issues with it. I thought it went on really good. My Morphe X Jeffree Star. This was a gift from a good friend, so I'm not going to get rid of it. And I go to these for like when I'm wanting something like colorful. Yellow Masca, we had to have got this in a box. Neutrals, guess what? It's going bye-bye. And I have a bunch of Morphe palettes. And I think I'm going to go ahead and declutter these. This is the purple, the 35P. The 35O, because I have my Jeffree Star Orgy palette. Where is that palette? Where's my Jeffree Star Orgy palette? That is a good question. Where is my Jeffree Star Orgy palette? And this is the 35T. I want to take these to my girls at work and let them pick. There is magnets for a magnetic palette. And then this is the BH Studio Pro. And I really liked this palette. because look at all that. Look at all that. So I will keep this one. And then these. There's that little mini O palette. So that got rid of a lot of that. I'm going to take my prick palette and put down in here. There's that drawer. But guys, where the heck is my Jeffree Star eye palette? I mean, really? I've lost the palette. Hopefully I'll find it. But that is all my eyeshadow palettes, except for the ones that I told you that are over there, and my Jeffree Star eye palette. It's floating around here somewhere. I don't know where, because it's only here. But maybe we'll find it in the next go around. So the next video, we're going to do the main drawer here, which is a lot of odds and ends, and my blush and bronzer drawers. And guys, I'm scared to even look at the lippy drawer because it is so full and overflowing. All right, let's get on to the next one.